Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're diving into Nebeus, accessible at https://nebeus.com. This platform offers a range of financial services, and in this video, I'll be sharing my first-hand experience navigating their offerings. I'll cover the key features, highlighting both the advantages and disadvantages I've encountered. It's important to do your own research and due diligence before making any financial decisions, and this video is intended to be a starting point for your exploration. Nebeus provides a suite of services that aim to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto world. From what I've seen, they offer options for earning interest on crypto holdings, as well as borrowing against those assets. This can be a particularly attractive feature for users looking to leverage their crypto without selling it. However, it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions associated with these services, including interest rates, loan terms, and any potential risks involved. My experience with their platform has been. Here, continue elaborating on your specific experience, adding details, anecdotes, and observations to match the length of the original transcription. Describe the user interface, ease of use, customer service interactions, any issues encountered, and your overall impression. Remember to keep the tone conversational and engaging, just like a video script. So, that's been my journey with Nebeus so far. I encourage you to explore the platform yourself and see if it aligns with your financial goals. As always, remember to do your own research and proceed with caution. Check out the links in the description for more information, and I'll see you in the next video.